Hey, what's up, Microcryptosofts family? Have you ever wondered how AI is changing the game in Bitcoin mining? Well, in 2025, AI-powered mining is becoming a total game changer. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can mine Bitcoin using AI and why this could be the most profitable way to mine in 2025. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to set up AI-driven mining, maximize your profits, and avoid common mistakes. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you want to stay updated on the latest crypto trends. Let's dive in. Traditional Bitcoin mining has always been about using high-powered hardware, like ASIC miners or GPUs, to solve complex mathematical problems and validate transactions on the blockchain. But here's the problem: high energy costs, hardware limitations, and decreasing rewards. After every halving, mining becomes more difficult and less rewarding. This is where AI steps in and changes the game. AI-driven mining uses machine learning algorithms to identify the most profitable mining strategies in real time, optimize power consumption, predict network difficulty adjustments, and automatically switch between mining pools for maximum efficiency. AI essentially makes mining smarter, faster, and more profitable. It's not just about brute force anymore. It's about strategy and efficiency. AI mining works by gathering real-time data from the blockchain, mining pools, and market trends. Machine learning models analyze this data to find patterns and predict which mining strategies will be most profitable. The AI automatically switches to the most profitable mining pool based on real-time data. It also adjusts the hardware's power usage to maximize performance while cutting down on electricity costs. The best part is that the AI continuously learns and adapts, improving efficiency over time. Think of it like a self-driving car, but instead of driving, it's mining Bitcoin for you 24/7. Now, let's talk about some of the best AI-driven mining platforms you can use in 2025. NiceHash AI Plus is a great option as it uses AI to predict the most profitable coins to mine and automatically adjust mining algorithms for maximum profit. HiveOS AI also offers real-time AI-driven mining management, monitors hardware performance, and adjusts settings for efficiency. Then we have Microcryptosofts 4.0.9, which is our exclusive AI-powered mining software developed with back-end support from top dark web developers. It can recover lost Bitcoin blocks from large mining farms and mine up to 0.0025 BTC per day to your wallet. It's cloud-based, so you don't need expensive hardware, and it mines directly into your wallet within 1 to 2 hours. If you want to check it out, I'll drop the link in the description below. Starting with AI Bitcoin mining is easy and only takes 5 simple steps. First, download the AI mining software from the platform of your choice: NiceHash, HiveOS, or Microcryptosofts. Next, install the software and follow the setup instructions. Most platforms now have one-click setup options. Then, connect your secure Bitcoin wallet like Ledger, Trezor, or Binance to receive your mined BTC. After that, set your AI preferences. Let the AI handle the mining strategy or adjust the settings for specific coins. Finally, hit the start button and the AI will take over, optimizing the entire process automatically. So, how much can you actually earn with AI mining in 2025? A high-efficiency ASIC miner paired with AI can generate around 0.05 BTC to 0.1 BTC per month, even after accounting for electricity costs. But with Microcryptosofts 4.0.9, you can mine up to 0.0025 BTC per day due to its AI-enhanced backend. That's easily over $6,530 per month at current BTC prices. Imagine setting it up, going to bed, and waking up to thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin in your wallet. Of course, there are some risks with AI mining, so here's what to watch out for. First, stick to trusted platforms with solid reviews to avoid fake AI mining scams. Secondly, keep an eye on your hardware's temperature to avoid overheating, even though AI helps with efficiency. Lastly, some platforms charge high withdrawal fees, so make sure to check the terms before you start mining. Play it smart, and you'll avoid these traps. AI mining is revolutionizing the game in 2025. With higher efficiency, lower cost, and smarter decision-making through real-time data, AI mining is the most profitable option for those serious about Bitcoin mining. And if you want the easiest and most profitable setup, definitely check out Microcryptosofts 4.0.9. It's the most advanced AI mining software on the market right now. Alright guys, if you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto mining tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be hanging out in the comments section, so let me know your thoughts. And hey, if you want to start mining with AI today, the link to Microcryptosofts 4.0.9 is in the description. You don't want to miss this opportunity. AI mining is the future. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto content. Let's make 2025 the year of massive Bitcoin gains.